Well, can any good come from this? Let's see what we can do.
So I have some of these Ryobi drills, and it seems like a common issue after you've had it for several years is the brushes wear out. And I have two of them that the brushes wear out. And what I decided to do, I am going to get a new drill, but I was going to see if I could salvage at least one scavenging parts from both of these drills. So anyway, let's see how it goes.
Well, a common issue is the little brush wears off. It's a little carbon brush, and it actually starts burning into the arm that held the brush. And generally, the positive side brush is still good. I have taken it out and put it in my other motor. Well, here's the brush that I put in the motor, and the little terminal here that doesn't have wire on it, that's the brush holder that I replaced. And so now we're going to put the back on it. I've added just a little bit of grease to kind of help lube it in there. I didn't see anything originally, so it's probably an oil light bearing or something like that. But anyway, a little grease never hurt anything. Well, I now have my wires soldered on to that brush holder, and I'm going to put a little piece of shrink tubing over that and kind of protect it from anything. And then we'll get started on assembling the drill. Looks like we got a running motor. Well, I'm going to give that an A for execution and maybe a little less on the prettiness of it. But anyway, it is stuck, and nothing's going to touch it that can short those out. And so we're ready to start assembling the drill. All right, well, we have everything kind of rough fitted in. I had to lengthen these wires, and I'm going to figure out some way that I can kind of stuff them all in there because, you know, it's just like when you take something out of a box and then you have to ship it back because it didn't work for you, and you never can seem to get that thing all back in there the way they had it. But anyway, I think I'm going to get this going. I've got everything kind of sitting in there, and I'm going to see about fitting the other cover back on there pretty quick. So anyway, guys, I tell you what, I feel pretty lucky we were able to save the drill and by just using spare parts from the other one. So anyway, I appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glove Box. Thanks for watching. And I'm out of here.